Welcome to Grant's Plants, episode number 1. Bikini bodies are made in the wintertime, and so are gardens here in the Willamette Valley. Glorious gardens. Here we are in the Willamette Valley, zone 8B, of a mostly flat site, poor drainage, clay soils, and this has been an in-progress project for the last 10 years of building and rebuilding and changing things as the years have gone on. We have annuals and perennials, figs, grapes, berries, strawberries. And this year, we've expanded into a larger space. This expansion has brought on the impetus to begin these videos of Grant's Plants. Drainage is really the focus right now, and this bed was just created last week to help move some paths around. Still in progress here. This path is going to move over a little bit to the right. There were 2 paths here previously, and I've moved it into one and created a new bed. We'll be working on that project. We'll be building a covered patio back here. We'll be putting in more berries, growing more berries. We have peas in the ground right now that are starting to already come up. The first planting and the second planting are already in. The first one in mid-February and the second one in mid-March. What you can expect from this channel here on Grant's Plants are garden updates, how things are growing, what to do when here in the Willamette Valley, soil preparation techniques, especially for minimizing water usage. We'll also be doing some pruning videos, how to cut it out. We'll do varietal evaluations of a variety of different plants. We'll look at a variety of tools and do tool reviews. Talk about DIY yardscaping and building, covered patios, trellises, and more. Talk about ponds and pond life, irrigation, trellises, and then we'll also be adding into the mix cultivated contemplations and sage advice. And to end our episode for today, in future episodes you can look forward to our dirty content at Grant's Garden Goodies. But more on information on that will be to come here in the future. I hope you all have a great day and happy gardening.